Hey guys, so welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to play Subway Surf. Yeah, it's a pretty popular game on Android and iOS, and my friend got this, and surprisingly I beat his high score by like a billion. So, as you see, I already played this for a long time. Yeah, a long time. So, my high score's pretty big, and today I'm going to try to beat it. Yeah, up. Turn around. Okay, it's getting glitchy. It's getting glitchy. I don't know why. I don't know how to speak today. Yeah. What just happened? Is that a glitch or what? Anyway, something just happened, and I don't know what that is. Just missed that, and that's a, and I don't know why when I always play like with my screen recorder on everything's glitchy, and when I don't play with my screen recorder on, everything's like running smooth. Like, yeah. And by the way, I got an old channel because I want to switch. Yeah. Long story. I messed up one name and I got something wrong, so I just decided to do a channel switch. Yeah. Yeah, so I decided to do a channel switch. As usual. Yeah, but not every YouTuber do that. Yeah, like, I decided to do that because I did something wrong on my channel, which is accidentally putting my last name in, but I spelled it wrong, so don't try to get my last name. So I spelled it wrong, and I just don't want that last name to be there, so they could try every single letter of the alphabet to try to get my last name. So that's why I did a channel switch. Yeah, so you can't see anything on that channel now because I'm not uploading video on that. So, and I did reminder on that channel that I did a channel switch. So if you're still watching that channel, can you please switch to this one, because there's not going to be any content on that channel now. Yeah. And today oh jeez. Oh jeez. Whoa. That was too close. Oh my god. That was so close. As you see, I'm already kinda pro. Kinda. I'm not bragging right here, okay? Like, seriously, I'm kinda a pro. Oh gee! Oh my god. That scared me. And everything's laggy. Happy, I'm very good at this because everything's laggy. Just kidding. Seriously, everything's like so laggy when I play with my screen recorder on. So let's try to beat my high score. Yeah, so, oh gee, my god. Oh jeez, at least I still got one more. Yeah. Oh gee. Oh my god. Okay, new lesson learned. Don't I ever put any part of my left hand on the screen while I'm playing. Yeah. Like, for some reason, Android devices, when you put on your phone, a new number on the screen. Okay, so that's that. For Android devices, when you put like one thing on the screen, like a little bit of your hand on the screen, like you're basically controlling with that hand, but not your main hand. As you see, I forgot to tell you that I'm right-handed, and I'm not going to submit my name. Duh. Number. Great. I'm in the bronze section. Somebody's stealing time. Great. Just play with one hand, and I don't like commentating with my mouth full, and I'm going to eat like a thing quickly, so I'm not going to do commentating for this round, just for a little bit. I hate commentating with my mouth full. Yeah. Okay, I finally done that thing. So I finally done like chewing stuff in my mouth, so I can go back to commentating now. So yeah, so we're just basically going to play Subway Surfer, and there's the jetpack. Yay! Don't you dare make a meme. Don't you dare. Jeez. And somehow I got three Google accounts. Yeah. Somehow. Blue key! Yes. So I can get a free revive. And I'm going to do this turn. Oh my god, that was fast. Oh Jesus. That's that. And that's a jump, duck. Yeah. And another trick, like if you jump and duck, like when you're still in midair, and if you duck, you instantly get on the ground. Or like that's kind of old trick, though. Basically, everybody knew that. If you don't know that, then what in the world are you doing? Yeah. Oh! That's fast. I said it again. Right! Oh my god. That's so fast that I can't handle it. Seriously. I can't handle the fastness. Yeah. Don't make a meme out of me. Yeah. I'm gonna play with the hoverboard! What just happened? Hoverboard? I ran out of hoverboards. Great! I better go back and buy some afterward. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate glitches. Seriously, I hate them. Grab a pause button. Blah, blah, blah. I saw you can buy things like while you play around. Yeah, I saw. And this is so fast, I'm almost beating my high score. Great. OG, 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 OG. By the way, that's that. I think when I'm recording my solo survival, you might hear some Chinese talking there, but I'm not actually in China. Trust me, I'm in Canada. My bed just turned upside down. So there it goes. I'm going to use this. Yeah. Do. Just kidding. I'm not going to do two. I'm going to use magnets at the end. Yeah, at least it gives me like a big score boost. And I will... Actually, I want to die now. I want to die now. What just happened? I'm going to buy some boosts. I need some hoverboards. I need just one hoverboard. That would be good. I'm going to try a mystery box. Like every view on this, I'm going to try mystery box every view. But I'm just starting, just starting. Duh. Yeah. I'm just starting, so every view I'll open a mystery box. And yeah. Oh gee. See what I mean? Yeah. I'm going to buy a score booster. Nice. Did I buy it? Now finally I bought it. Now I'm going to buy another mystery box. I wonder what can I get? More coins. I can open another mystery box. Yay. What can I get? Head start. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Completely nice. 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 I got boosters. Oh, what just happened? Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. That was close. Yeah. 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 Told it. Told it. Duh. Blue key was a dragon egg. Yeah. Not a dragon egg from Minecraft. As you see, like from my previous channel, I do have MCPE, so this is going to be the last vid. Last one. Yeah. Okay, get the K, get the K, get the K, get the K. Oh, I already got the K. Oops. I got the cops on my tail. Told it. Yeah. Yeah. I think half of you who are watching this video is calling me dumb. Yeah, half of you. I bet you. Yeah. You're calling me dumb because it's not my fault. It's my Android touch sensitivity. It's too good. Yeah. And that's that. So, OG, G, 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 OG, G, 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 G. Oh my God. Yeah, so let's go. Ba 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 bam, ba 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 bam, ba 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 bam, ba 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 bam, ba 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 ba. Yeah. So, yeah. So you might have heard of Jack from like my last channel. Like he's coming over today. So, yeah. That's. Oh my God! What just happened to that? So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. That was fast. Yeah. So